Hey guys, I'm Austin with WolfPac-Outdoors. Welcome back. And if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any new content. Today, I'm taking you on the most dangerous trail at Chappie OHV Park in Shasta County, California. We're gonna go walk up this trail because it's looking pretty hairy. All right then, let's go. The Chappie-Shasta OHV area has more than 250 miles of roads and trails and is managed by the Bureau of Land Management. It's near Shasta Dam. On a clear day, you can see the three Shastas from the observation point south of the dam. It's a gorgeous drive and full of wildlife. And we love four-wheeling out here, even after the car fire of 2018. While I'm driving out to the spot, I'm collecting my thoughts. I'm thinking about the chainsaws, medical supplies, and water I brought for a just-in-case scenario. I'm reviewing the practice I've had with my new lockers and rescue equipment. I'm preparing for any situation that may arise. For some time, I've been looking into how the Trail 3 and 4 loop come together. The first time we came out to do the loop, we were a bit perplexed because the linking trail was only wide enough for a Jeep. And this piqued my curiosity because it was supposed to make a full loop per the map. But since the fire of 2018, it had been completely altered. So I think we've gotten to the fork in the road. As we can see from the map that I have up, it's telling me that I need to go this way. All right, let's go. We took a trip out to look at Trail 5, and it was wide enough to pass, but the difficulty was extreme, and our truck wouldn't make it. One of the more interesting things about this trail is that it says it's for a side-by-side until it gets up to Trail 5, then it says it's for a Jeep. So it's very deceiving, and you'd never know that it wasn't for a vehicle unless you actually went down it. I wanted to do it, my wife wanted to do it, and we also wanted to show that a Tundra is a capable overlanding rig. If you like this video, please tap the like button and tell me about the best four-wheeling trail near you in the comments below. Now we're finally here, at the precipice. Clementine von Radix once said, "They don't see the part of you that smolders. Don't let their doubting drown out the sound of your own heartbeat. You are the first drop of a hurricane. Your bravery builds beyond you. You are stronger than the world has ever believed you to be. The world is waiting for you to set it on fire. Trust in yourself." I started working toward what it would take for Everest to make it up. We worked on improving the overall growth that was swallowing the trail, and we began our Overland build. The challenge was set, and the further along we got with our build, the more capable Everest became. Finally, after the nitro gears, ARB lockers front and rear, we felt ready to attempt Trail 5. Eric Thomas once said, only those who risk going too far can possibly find out how far one can go. All right, guys, we're gonna take 5 here. We're gonna go walk up this trail because it's looking pretty hairy. Just gotta see what's up there before we commit. It's eroded a lot more since last time I was up here, and trails stayed pretty wide though, which is nice. And it's awful muddy. That could be a factor in not being able to make it up. Alright guys, so I made it up to the step up part that I was most concerned about previously. But on the way up, that first section where the truck is stopped, it's pretty gnarly and rutted. It wasn't that extreme last time I was here. I'm sweating crazy right now because that was a good hike. But I think if we could get the truck past the first step up, I believe we could conquer this obstacle here and take the trail all the way through and finally complete the loop. The reward at this point is outweighed by the risk. So I feel like pulling the plug at where we're at, getting up to this point, I would really have to push the truck to its limits. And once we get the come up winch, it's going to be a complete game changer. Stuff like this, stuff like the obstacle that we're stopped at right now, isn't going to be an issue. I'm Austin with WolfPac-Outdoors. Live unbound, always explore. Family forever. Later.